Samsung Galaxy M51 is not officially released yet while the specifications mentioned are based on rumors. The smartphone is available in various colors. The screen is an IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, which has a size of 6.5 inches. The resolution of the display is 1080 x 2340 pixels and provides 396 ppi density. The smartphone is packed with 6GB and 8GB RAM with 64GB and 128GB internal storage options that allows you to store your memories while the RAM is good enough to boost the performance of the device. The rear camera of the smartphone consists of a 48MP wide plus 8MP ultrawide plus 5MP depth, while on the front there is a 32MP wide camera for shooting selfies. The Samsung Galaxy M51 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon octa-core processor. The smartphone is fueled with a non-removable LiPo 4000 mAh battery plus fast battery charging 15W. The device comes with features such as Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, USB 2.0, and radio, including sensors such as fingerprint rear-mounted, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, and compass.